Yo, what's up, guys? It's been quite a bit since the last upload. Sorry about that. Yeah, what's it been? It's been like two two errors. It was error 5, the end of error 5, the last update, I think. But well, I've just not been playing the game a lot. But well, that's a bit of a lie. You can see my rolls have gone up by like 1.7, 2.7 million actually, closing up on 4 million. Uh, well, the purpose of this video specifically was just so that I could showcase something that's just a direct upgrade to Tiny Task, because as you can see now, the trick with pressing connection and the camera resetting to somewhere else, that doesn't work anymore, as you can see. And when you reset, the camera also doesn't like go anywhere, which is a plus. So a new way of like doing it is, well, you can do the hard way and just like press yourself so you like your camera's facing one certain direction, but that's not going to be 100% accurate. You could also do the other way, which is downloading a program called Macro, which I'll be showcasing today. Right now, it's in its very early stages for error 7. Hang on, I'm gonna show the pop-up message real quick, because you can see, please note that this pre-version, the OP does not function currently. Make sure your camera is on default classic before starting the macro. And you can see it here. Yeah, as I said, make sure when you start the macro, I'll showcase how to get the program working in a second. Make sure your camera mode is on default classic. You can do a bunch of stuff like obbies that does not function right now, but it's probably gonna have a released version soon. I'll link the Discord in the description of the macro. There's item collecting, which does work, which collects from the different spawn spots the items, which is way better than what we've had to do the other times. There's auto equip, which also should work, but it's pretty unstable if you have a lot of aura slots like I do. Oh, by the way, overture, nice, I got this. Another matrix as well, which I'm gonna cry. But yeah, I have almost 100 aura slots, and it has to be like up here essentially if you want to auto equip something. In crafting, do automatic item crafting, like with gilded coins. If you put gilded coins on auto equip, like here, I haven't done it because it floods up my aura space, and it should be fixed now, but previously it did stop the macro. Like it stop you from rolling if you got like the skip pop up, you know. You can also you can change the interval for crafting. You can do automatic potion crafting, which is nice. And the status, I'm gonna showcase how to do this while I'm doing the download thing. But essentially, you can enable webhooks, which essentially just sends you like what you get during your AFK to like a Discord channel. You can do important events only. You can do the Discord ping. You can do yeah, you can change like when the thing gives you screenshots, like how often it takes screenshots. Oh, that's another thing. You can change how often it takes screenshots of your inventory and storage. You can also enable storage bar, which is essentially just when it starts. You can see here. It gives you a status bar up here, at the top right corner. Then it like this is self-explanatory. Like when is it gonna send what you rolled? Like how with a cent minimum, and when is it gonna ping you? I've set it to 1,100,000, but you may want to send it to like 10k and 100k if you're not that good at the game. Yeah, just ignore this. That should be fine. Settings. If you own VIP, you have to check this, or else it's gonna like completely mess up your macro. This is very unstable too, arcane teleport paths. I would not recommend doing it myself, but you can do it if you want. You also have to enable auto equip if you want to do this. And this is also very nice. You can insert your private server link right here, which is not the server link you get when you like press, I'm gonna show. Not this link, not the link you get when you press this and then copy. You have to, not the share code, yeah, not the share code. You have to actually go into the private server first. It's gonna exit my game, so I'm not gonna do that right now, but you have to go into the private server, copy this, paste it, press enter, and then when the link's done changing a bunch of times, you have to copy that into right here. Credits, yeah, that's just credits to Dolphin and the other guys. And yeah, that's it for the functionality of the macro. It, as mentioned, it's very unstable right now because it's like very early and some of the notification stuff isn't actually completely functioning. So I would like take it with a grain of salt, everything that comes on your webhook when it comes. And speaking of webhook, I will show how to set that up real quick. After you've done that, you should be able to go into the folder, if you know when you've extracted it all, like the zip file. When you've extracted the zip file, go into the folder, go into this, and then this should have this instead of just being blank like the other stuff. So yeah, just go ahead and click this one, and it'll start the thing. Yeah. One thing that I did actually end up forgetting was how to download AutoHotKey. So when you to launch the program, you have to download AutoHotKey. You just search AutoHotKey and take the first one, autohotkey.com. Also leave the link in the description. You press download, and do not download this. Download the 1.1 version, and then just follow those instructions and launch the program. So I just want to show you how to actually set up this webhook. I've done it in my own note server that I just have for convenience. I'll do it from scratch to show you guys exactly how to do it. First off, you make a new channel. You can call it webhook if you want. And then you go to edit channel, click integrations, click webhooks, and you click create webhooks. And then you get this, you have to get this link. You can edit the name to whatever you want, but you have to get this link right here. And then in here, in the status, you have to take this URL, like it's not going to be URL for you guys, but you have to take this, press Ctrl A. Well, I have to, but just click in the new one. I'm not going to do that because, yeah, it's my, yeah, it's my other one, basically. So, and then then you just have to press Ctrl V, and then, yeah, that should be it for that. And when it comes to getting your Discord user ID, I don't know if you can do it just like this, but I know you can, first of all, just try and right-click your user and press copy user ID and press that in. And if that doesn't work, that means I think that's probably like an indication of you not having developer mode active. Which you do by going into advanced right here, settings advanced, and then taking this developer mode on. That means you can then copy user ID and just press it into here so it knows what user to ping. But yeah, that's essentially it. I can show you how it works if you want. Yeah, starts off resetting your camera, your player position, goes down, presses follow, does that. And yeah, that's why tiny task doesn't work as well as it used to before, because it has to do that instead. But yeah, now it actually just goes around taking stuff, which is nice. Yeah, and as you can see in my webhook, it worked. Now I have two webhooks, I just don't need one of them. With this initializing, and then it took the screenshots and then stop. And it also does stuff like this right here. Tells you what you've rolled, yada yada, all that. Yeah, that was the Dolphin macro. Massive upgrade from having to do your own macro in Tiny Task. I don't know if it's gonna work for everyone, but I'm hoping this helps at least getting your gambling addiction under control. Just kidding. Well, thanks for watching this short tutorial on what to do and like the introduction of the Dolphin macro. I'm gonna try and get a video out of it's just Era 7 in general. But I've been pretty unmotivated when it comes to video making. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video, and I will see you guys sometime soon.